Hello everyone, take the hairs like this and tie them. Now put this hair clip, now put it down, now tie it on the top, roll it down like this and fix it. Put the hair clips and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, put this hair clip on the hairs, now tie it and then roll it and fix it on the top. Roll the hairs and put it like this on the sides. Now tie the hairs on the top together, fix it by tying it and put the hair clip and it's ready. Next, put this hair clip on the hairs. Now, roll it one by one and fix it inside the 3 clips from the sides. Take the hairs in equal sections. After fixing it, your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now, pull the hairs upward like this and fix the hair clutch. Now, tie it on the top as well and roll it down and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs. First, comb it properly and then roll it using the fingers. Roll it upward and put the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, tie the rubber band. Tie the hairs properly. Now fix it from the top or the between. Roll it again from the bottom and fix it. And put this hair clip and your bun is ready. Next, put this hair rotating tool on the hairs and then rotate the hairs properly. Fix it in the half. Now pull it properly and put the hairs. Now tie it from the bottom, roll it upward and make a bun. Fix this clutch and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, tie it and then divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs inside like this, make a bun and it's ready. Thanks for watching.